Welcome back, and in this video I'll show you how to remove a friend on the Xbox Series X. So let's say, for instance, if your friend has been offline for quite some time and you'd like to remove them, just follow the steps on this particular video. So all you have to do is power on your console, and then from the home page press the Xbox button on your controller, and then use the RB button and go to the people section, and then you should see the friends option. Select that, and then you should see a list of all your friends that are here. So for me, I just have 2 friends. So let's say, for example, if I want to remove this particular friend, so select them, and then from the menu that appears, scroll down and select remove friend. So choose that, and then you'll be asked remove that particular person from your friends list. After removing this friend, you will need to send them a friend request again if you want to add them back. So if you want to proceed, simply select remove, and that particular friend will be removed from your friend list. So that's basically it on how to remove a friend on the Xbox Series X. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.